Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the Netflix region on your iPhone. It's actually pretty easy, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to need a VPN on your iPhone. To do this, open the App Store. Now, search for a VPN of your choice. In this example, we're going to be using IPVanish VPN. Once you found it, it should be the top result and look like this, show visual of the IPVanish icon. Go ahead and download the VPN. Alright, now that you've downloaded it, click on Open. When you open the VPN for the first time, you'll be taken to this screen. Click on Login at the bottom. Enter your login details and sign into your IPVanish account. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get yourself an exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. Okay, once you've logged in, you'll be taken to a privacy screen. Select one of these options. You might be prompted to begin a tutorial, but for this example, I'm going to click Skip. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your device. Click on Finish. For a few seconds, you'll be prompted to set up a VPN configuration. Click on Allow. You'll then be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. Once you've done that, you'll be taken back to the VPN app and can start using it. So let's say I want to watch the US version of Netflix even though I'm in the UK. To do this, click on Locations. Then, select any location of your choice. I'm going to search for United States. Once you find it, click on it, then click on Connect. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected to your United States server, or whatever location you chose. Now it'll be as if your iPhone is actually in that location. Now that we've done this, exit the VPN application, open up Netflix, and sign into your Netflix account. Once you've signed in and selected a profile, you'll be browsing that region's version of Netflix. Just to show you, if I scroll down here, it says Top 10 TV Programs in the US Today. All I need to do now is select a TV program and I can go ahead and start watching it just as I normally would. And that's it. Remember to click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to get yourself an exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.